The generator is adjusted to the adjustment mode. Release the locking handle on the left side of the machine. Shake the hand wheel. Install the ultrasonic horn counterclockwise and tighten with a wrench. Loosen the balance screw and adjust the ultrasonic horn to be parallel to the machine. Press the start button with both hands at the same time, and the ultrasonic horn will extend. Shake the hand wheel to lower the ultrasonic horn until it contacts the fixed base. The pressure plate fixes the bottom mold and locks the with screws. The front and back level screw. The left and right level screw. Lock the tree handles on the left. Press the emergency stop button and the machine rises. Generator interface. Adjust the machine to automatic mode. Press the ultrasonic test button, frequency test. Enter the setting interface to set the welding parameters. And press the confirm button to enter the main interface. The machine installation and debugging is completed. Production begins.